that you're having a good evening. It's Wednesday, about 9:34 looks like in the evening. I'm trying to wind down for the day, but I just wanted to share with you the new modules that's coming up tomorrow will be posted about 8 o'clock in the morning. It'll be March 26th. The name of it is Solving Linear Coefficient or a Decimal. So we're going to show you a couple things from that. I'll be doing a new video giving you some examples of how to do those types of problems. But I just want to go through the module with you so you'll know what you'll be seeing. I want you to know that this module has to be completed by Sunday, this coming Sunday, by 11:59 p.m. So make sure by 11:59. So make sure you get that done if you haven't got that done. I've received a few things from y'all, but there are several of you that have not heard from. I need you to be working on this, getting it done. If you have any questions, you need to be emailing me or send me a remind message or something so that I can be in contact with you and you can get those questions answered for you. Let me go through the module with you just so that you know what is going on. I'm going to be going over to that module, so just listen. You can kind of follow along in the morning whenever you get that, so you can kind of see what is taking place on that module. Remember, the first page is simply an overview. It gives you the link to the YouTube link that you can look at, so make sure you look at that. You're going to watch that video. I will have a video in the morning of how to do some of these types of problems, so be watching for that. Also, and then you'll go ahead and complete those assignments. It won't take you very long to do that. Very easy. Just listen to the videos and then take the quizzes, and then I'll be getting some grades from there. And then you have a Give Me 8 assignment. On Tuesday's assignment, you had a give me 5. That just simply meant you had to do a total of 5 points there. Remember, there were some things that were 1 point each, some were 2 points each, some were 3 points each. So you do a sum of 5. Well, today you're doing a sum of 8. Give me 8 assignment. So you want to do items that will end up equaling to 8. So whatever combination you can have for that is what you need to be doing. The second page is simply, there's a couple, 3 examples that I'm going to give you, talk to you about how to solve those equations, kind of refresh your memory on that. And then you'll see the 3 to take on Khan Academy. I would suggest that you watch the videos. They're real short, like I said, and so make sure that you watch those videos and then do those quizzes. They're real easy. You shouldn't have a problem with that. Then the next page is the copy of the Give Me 8 assignment. Those are the, you'll see the things, and as I pull that up, you'll see that there are 4 different point values assigned. The 1 point values, there is an iReady online lesson that I'm going to submit to everybody. You don't have to do that if you would prefer not to do that, but if you want to, you can. It's simply over the solving equations with rational coefficients on iReady. If you complete that assignment, you have to pass the assignment, listen to the lesson and complete the lesson, complete the quiz, and pass the quiz. You need to pass that quiz. And then you send me a picture of the date and the score that you've made on that this week, today, tomorrow, whenever you get this. Or you may choose for another 1 point value is to do an IXL Year 9, X6, and X7. And if you know in IXL, you have to do 20 questions and have at least an 80%. So you can do either one of those. Both of those are worth 1 point each. So that could be 2 points of your 8 if you want to do that. The 2 point values, you could do an IXL Year 9, X11. So that's one that you could do. Again, you have to do 20 questions and you have to have at least an 80% passage on that. Or you may choose to do the linear equation maze. That's a worksheet that you'll need to download from the next page. You'll need to somehow print that out and then complete that. Once you've completed that worksheet, you need to take a picture of it, and then you need to submit that back through your files upload from your Canvas. So make sure and email that to me or Miss Snyder, whoever your teacher is. This video is for both classes. Those are 2-point values. Make a worksheet that is on the next page that you need to download, you need to print, and you need to work out. It's graphing lines and catching zombies. Follow the directions on that. If you have some questions on that, send Miss Snyder or send myself an email, and we'll explain to you X9 and X10, all three of those. So again, 20 questions, 80% passage. So you may choose either one of those. And then for the 4-point value, you may choose to do the clear them out. That's the last worksheet on the next page, the download page. And like you had on the previous worksheets, you'll have to download that, grade that. So we'll probably email you and tell you, send us another picture. So make sure that you have that completed, or you may choose to do pages 141 to 146 in your ready book. That is the problem solving book. So make sure that you've done that if you want to choose to do that. There are also pages that are downloadable on the next page, so you can choose to do that as well. Any of those that I've just mentioned to you, you just count the values, whatever you've done, they have to equal to 8. So make sure that you do those. If you have any questions, make sure that you talk to us about that, and then we will get back with you. Then the last page, or the next to last page, is the downloadable page. You can click on those, print them out, work them out, and then take a picture. Then the last page is your page submission page, where you submit all of the assignments that you've done. Make sure if you have to take a picture that you send a picture. I would also suggest that if you do the iExcels, you send us some type of email, notice, whatever, that you got those completed. We'll also check that you do. We'll be keeping a record of that, and I'm going to add those to any points that you've had on previous grades from previous quarters, so you can improve that grade. That won't always be the case, but that's what we're doing for this week. So make sure that you submit that to us. Have plenty of time to do that, and we want you to get those done. Remember, module March 26th. Hope that you'll be in our Zoom meeting tomorrow. I'll have a Zoom meeting planned out for you as well. So make sure that you get in touch with us. Let us know how you're doing. The flip grid that I assigned on March the 24th. Some of you have completed that. I'm enjoying watching those. They're funny. The funnier you make them, the better it is. Some of you are asking what you're supposed to do. Those directions are on that page. You need to read. You've got to read. You got to read to succeed. So read what you're supposed to do. Make sure you do what you're supposed to do. I will not accept videos that are not of the directions that I'm telling you to do. I had a few that were not correct. I emailed you back, told you that I will not accept it. You won't get points for that. So make sure you follow the directions on that. I hope that everyone is staying safe. I hope to see you soon. Take care of yourself and watch this video. Be watching for the instruction video that will be coming up sometime very soon. But I wish you well. Hope you're doing well.